Example 5. You are building a frame for a window. The window will be installed in the opening shown in the diagram. The opening must be a rectangle. Given the measurements in the diagram, can you assume that this is a rectangle? Explain. So looking at it, my first thought would be, yeah, that looks pretty good. But are we allowed, given the information, to assume it's a rectangle? And the answer here is no. I mean, I know that the opposite sides are congruent. That's great. But do I know that that's a right angle? I mean, looking at it, yeah, it looks pretty close, but do I know? No. So can we assume that it is? No. We don't know if there are 4 right angles. In construction, I'm pretty sure that you definitely want those to be a right angle and not an 88-degree angle, which is pretty close. So part B, you measure the diagonals of the opening. So from here to here and there to there. The diagonals are 54.8 inches and 55.3 inches. What can you conclude about the shape of the opening? Well, if I have 54.8 and I have 55.3, I can now conclude this is not a rectangle. Because if it were a rectangle, the diagonals have to be exactly the same. So this guy is just a teeny bit slanted. Can I conclude that it's a rhombus? No, because in a rhombus, all 4 sides have to be the same length, and they're not. Can I conclude that it's a square? No, I don't have 4 right angles, and I don't have 4 equal sides. So we can conclude that this is a parallelogram. Just a generic parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. This guy's a little bit slanted. Opposite sides are congruent. It's just a parallelogram.